Hi John, welcome to another stream. How are y'all doing today? It is about to be the 3rd of December. We're back for another AOC stream. I just got back from a party, so we're doing I'm pretty sure most of the alcohols is gone by now, but my finger hurts a little bit from doing doing pull-ups on a hangboard. That's entirely self-inflicted. Anyway, let me get ready for today of Advent of Code. Let me say hi to everyone who's here, and let me open up my stream dashboard because I forgot to do that. JJMC was first today. Walker Codes is also here. My neighbors are throwing a party. Don't they know it's AOC time? Yeah, I just came from one. Large Popping is also here. Easy reminder. Arrow Bounce, good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Wilbo's also here, as is GS Volt. Check those fingers. I go climbing, so it's not really all that different. Let's see, 2023. All right. Also, I realized that I forgot to make this repo public, so it is public now. Whoops. Yeah. Okay. Are you doing pull-ups at my neighbor's party? Maybe, Walker Codes. Probably not, though. What am I doing? Ruby junk, yeah, that's clearly where we're going. AOC 2023. We are going to day 3 and Babby part 1. And then we're gonna part 2. And then part 1. Part 1. And AOC download input. I feel like PyPy gives us a little bit of a disadvantage in startup time, but yeah, hopefully it's worth it for the for the day that we have execution speed problems. Oh man, that's scary. Hopefully it's temporary. Usually that happens sometimes when I climb, you know, strain your finger a bit too much. Philadothus is here. Hello, hello. How you doing? You woke up early enough today? Good to see you. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, yesterday's problem felt easier than day 1. But I don't know, they've all been kind of easy so far. And I don't know that my day 1 solution was good enough. And we all know how that happens. To work long enough into AOC, and then eventually it's like, oh yeah, I actually have to optimize this one. But so far we're good. And I watched the football game. Poor D-Delsp. Poor D-Delsp. Oh, iOS ranking is already updated? No, this has to be their ranking before. I thought they were 16th though. Maybe it's the 2 rankings. Anyway, I watched football. It was not really a close game. I mean, it was closer than it looked, than the score looks, but it's not really a close game. But yeah, I guess I went live too early because I've run out of things to talk about. I've been working on my my Pokemon script a little bit. Al Gore, thank you for the bits, appreciate it. I'm working on my Pokemon script a little bit, but it's really hard to stream this because things only happen every 20 minutes, on average every 20 minutes. But I am trying to, this is like my training data. I'm trying to navigate to this thing in the background. This is actually the worst case during foggy or rainy weather. This is an advent. It will be soon enough, Eric. We got 4 minutes. I'm trying to stall. But yeah, this is what I do manually right now. And ideally I can detect this circle. I think it shouldn't be too hard because these are like really bright. My backup plan is to try and identify when it turns dark, because this is going to be a lot easier to detect with CV. And I could just wait until that happens. I don't know, I haven't really thought about it yet, but that's sort of what I was poking at and doing a thing. Tell us what your least favorite Pokemon is and explain why it's Bruxish. Actually, I feel like Bruxish isn't the worst. I feel like fucking Sword and Shield Weedle, what the fuck was it called? No, not actually Weedle. The fucking the shitty bug. The new bug Pokemon in Sword and Shield. With its stupid eyes. Damn, what is it called? Really? What is the... It evolves into the ladybug. I can't remember the name right now. No, not you. Oh, Blipbug. This piece of shit. Look at how dumb this looks. The worst. PetX Codes, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. But yeah, let's not get too distracted here. How you doing, Zitrius? Good to see you again. Yeah, I definitely slurred that word, so got a little bit of a disadvantage today. I feel like Bruxish is ugly, but intentionally. I think that could have made it look less weird, but yeah. Large popping is muting, sounds good, as is Airbones. Alright, good luck to everyone who is advent of coding today. Let me get the right tab up here. Yeah, hopefully things go well today. We'll see. It is about that time. Good luck to everyone who's solving, who's speeding through the problems. And I'll see you on the other side. I'll put my cursor right here so that we get our sample input. Rask, hello, hello. I did turn it off, D-Delsp. I did. Good distraction, though. AOC submit is not working, or just me? It worked for me. Shabs is here. Hello, hello. How you doing? Good to see you. A reminder to everyone, I'm gonna ignore chat during Shawls, and don't give me hints because I'm not gonna read them. Kaji. Kaj Y, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Oh god, now I'm getting distracted. Alright, 30 seconds. Baking stream. Yeah, we'll do some baking at some point. Ignoring chat, I know the worst. I'm being sweaty. We're against the clock. But I'll read chat after the solve, so fret not, I'll be back. Okay. 6, 5, 4, press the button. Our input looks like a bunch of numbers in dots. Alright, cool. Any number, even dangling, is a part number. Periods do not count as a symbol. Okay. Two numbers are not part because they are not adjacent to a symbol. 114 and 58. Okay, got it. And the sum of those. Every other part number. Okay. So we gotta find numbers that have adjacencies. Okay, copy this bad boy. And copy this number. Oh boy. Okay, this is gonna be interesting because we basically need to. I have a script for this. Support. Parse chords. Parse chords int, parse chords hash. I don't have either of them. Alright, well, we'll just make another one then. Okay, I'm gonna make a map, and then we're gonna iterate through each number in each line, and then look around it, I guess. It'll just be simple, I guess. For y line in enumerate lines, for xc in enumerate line, towards yx. We're gonna do yx this year. Did I do yx here? No, I did xy. We're gonna do xy this year. Alright, parsing done. So we need to for y in range len. Oh god. Yeah, don't do as I do. For x in range len line 0. Okay, we need to go across lines and we need to find if symbol is adjacent. Well, I guess we really only need to keep symbols. So we could do collections. Well, we don't actually do that. we're just gonna skip. If C does not equal dot, we will not put it in there. And then actually we can just iterate through. Yeah, this is the easiest way to do this. We need to find numbers and we need to find all of their coordinates, and then we need to check around and see if they have symbols, I think is how we're gonna do this. Maybe we don't do it that way. Maybe we find all of the numbers as lines. Yeah, maybe we do it that way. I'm reaching for regex, yeah. Num equals, we'll just do this. And then we'll know the position. And then we can check for the symbols here. Yeah, okay. If C does not mean and not is digit and not C dot is digit. If it's not a dot and it's not a digit, then we stick it in. All right. Actually, this can be a set, but that's fine. And then for line in for y line in lines, we need to iter the matches. Num dot. I forget what the fucking function is. Find iter. Find iter, I think. Find iter line. Thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. And diagonals are allowed? Even diagonally. Okay. Oh, I do have a thing for that. There's a thing. Direction 4. Oh, where's my direction 8? No! Adjacent 8. Oh, thank God. Alright, cool. Got that. Let's just breakpoint this and see what we got so far. The tab that I want. Taxation, of course. Too many values to unpack. Right, we need to enumerate. And sorry, I'm ignoring chat while I'm doing things. Match.begin. What the fuck is it? Match.pause? Match.span? Match.start? Match.end. Okay, so that's the end of this. Alright, for I in range, I think that's match.span, right? Yeah. Match.span. If yi, or is it xy? It is xy. Y. Not that it matters, it would have produced the same results. I don't know why I looked at that. If xy in chords, then break. Else continue. Okay, so if we found one, then we break out, otherwise we skip over that number. And then we can do total total plus equals int match 0 match 1 0, the match string, and then return total. The type checker, and we get the wrong number. Okay. Let's breakpoint here when we're adding numbers and see what we get. 4, 6, 7. That is good. 1, 1, 4 should not have been added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it went out of bounds. Yeah. No, but that should have been negative. Oh. Oh. Right. Clubbering. Now we get way too large. Okay, let's put our breakpoint back and try again. Yeah, that one should. 35. Good. 35 again. Oh, because we got this loop here. Right. Right. Fuck, what do I do with that? Got too many loops. I guess we'll just say matched equals true. Or we can actually just... Oh, we can break? This looks stupid. But I think this is easier to understand. We're gonna do that, but this has to start as false. That way we don't double add things. There we go. Alright, on to part 2. A little rough there, but we got there in the end. Here is any symbol with a star that is adjacent to exactly 2 part numbers. You need to find the gear ratio of every gear and add them all up so that the engineer can figure out which gear needs to be replaced. Okay, wait, what the fuck? Missing part wasn't the only issue. One of the gears in the engine is wrong. A gear is any star symbol adjacent to exactly 2 part numbers. Okay, so we need to find all the stars. Its gear ratio is the result of multiplying those 2 numbers together. Okay, that's not so bad. We gotta do the opposite though. This first schematic, there are 2 gears. Got it. Is this a new one? No, same schematic. Okay. So we need to find the numbers. I think the easiest way to do this is find the numbers and figure out how many are adjacent to each star. I'm going to record the star positions and I'm going to record all the numbers separately. That's going to be kind of gross, but I think it'll be fine. If C is a star, then this doesn't need to be set. This can be a list because we're just going to iterate through it. Stars dot append x, y. Right, then we also need to find, or writing the right files. We need to add all of the ranges. We don't actually, oh, we do care about their numbers. And int y int x. I don't know that range is a type. I mean, it's gotta be a type, but I don't know that it's like that. And then x int y int spool, and then we'll implement that. We need to actually parse everything. Nums equals this. We're just gonna be really gross n squared. Because I'm pretty sure it's fast enough. Num int match 0, and then y, and then actually we'll just do tuple int for match dot span. Okay, so that gives us all of those, and then for x, y in stars, for num in nums, if num dot adjacent x, y, then nudge. Oh, we can actually just do sum 1. Oh, but we need to find those two numbers. Num for num. If len edge equals 2, then total plus equals edge 0 dot n times edge 1 dot n. We could use math.prod again. Okay, so all that's left is to implement adjacent. It's a little bit inefficient, but I don't care. Okay, x and y. It is adjacent if what? If self.x0 minus 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to self.x1 plus 1. And self.y, this feels wrong. This feels wrong. It feels too simple. Run the test case and see what happens. So lint. Okay, we're not using you anymore. Not using you anymore. Got a number. We got the first one, but not this one. Letter y. This is the one up here. There's 3 of them. Actually, I want breakpoint. Okay, there's 2 numbers there. That seems fine. This is that one. There's only one. We got 3 numbers there. Why? Oh, because of this. Okay, yeah, that's why I thought this was too simple. So it's only adjacent. It's not adjacent to 664, but we accidentally picked up 664 because of this. So it's only plus or minus 1 in the x direction. On, oh, it's because I have less than or equal to. On this side, because the x is actually a range. And this is gonna error because of my breakpoint. So slow. So slow. It's so slow. Oh, wait, no, it's not so slow. It's because I have a breakpoint. Yo, here we go. Woo! All right, let me read some chat. We got a raid from Hakatori. Did someone give them a shout out? If not, I will do it again. Hakatori. There we go. We also got JJ Van the Man as well. We got 2 raids right in a row. JJ Van the Man. Bop. And Zerglok, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Arnoa, welcome to the stream. And JJ the Man and Hector. Don't make me look at for loops. Is this I to the 4th? No, it's less than that because the inner one's constant, so it's fine. For num and nums, if num.num is num, yeah. Minosa, hello, how you doing? Didn't know you can actually pack whole if statements and for loops into lists. Yes, list comprehensions, they're pretty great. I think admin of code is the new thing now. Is it better than leak code? It's a little bit different, but it's not really new. Spitfire says, did you fall for 8-2 from day 1? I did, although mine was Twan, not 8-2. But same idea. I did the silly, well, spoilers, if anyone's actually going to do this. Python NNN, hello, how you doing? Ideal Gas, good to see you again. Chev says, I tried anything, but my coding was no good. You can do it, Chevs, I believe in you. Everyone says, slower than I started last year, but I'm honestly slightly rusty with my Python. Haven't coded much in the last year, pretty happy with how I've done so far. Nice. We were steering together, I was teaching Hector how to code. Oh, that's cool. That's awesome, JJ the Man. I probably did not do good on leaderboard day, but I'll take it. That's not terrible. 320, 420. I lost time on part 2 though. My approach is not great, but it's fine. I think the thing that would have, and this is annoying. Fortunately, I recognized it almost immediately because I realized this is a range. But yeah, it's not terrible. It's not terrible. Maybe the hardest day 3 in a while. I want to say, is it last year's day 3? I feel like there is one in a. It might have been last year's. It was last year's. No, this was just the password one. What was part 2 though? Yeah, this one wasn't that hard. It was a lot of reading though, but then the problem ended up being pretty simple. There was a tricky day 3. Was it 2021? The last 3 days seem pretty similar to me, but what do I know? I mean, yes, that's fair. Oh, this was bit twiddling. Yeah, this one was hard if you didn't bit twiddle. This one was trickier than today. Compute haxy dicks. Anyway, all right. Well, that's gonna wrap us up for today. This is fun. Let me go find someone to raid. You got part 1. Nice, dude. Good. Let's see what's online. Who are we going to raid today? Rima's online. Is Time Enjoy? Holy shit! Time Enjoy has so many viewers. Stu Squared doing advent code too in Scala. We'll go say hi to Stu Squared. Go say hi, be nice, etc. Throw up your Python's bongo away as we do, and I will see you around. Thank you all for hanging out, and I'll probably be here for tomorrow. But yeah, I'll see you around.